Welcome, my dear student, in this new topic. Now, here we see the one comparator, that is 5-bit comparator, and by using certain IC. Now, whenever we have to design a comparator, we are trying to use certain different types of ICs, and mostly we prefer IC 7485. So here we try to design some 5-bit comparator by using IC 7485. 5-bit comparator by using IC 7485. This is our topic, comparator using IC 7485. Now, before going into detail of this topic, first we try to understand this 7485 IC. 7485 IC is a 4-bit comparator IC. It having a 16-pin IC dual link package, which are used in for the two 4-bit numbers. If we have to convert a two 4-bit number, then we can directly use this IC 7485, and more than that, also we try to also use, and having a dual power supply, no, and all. If you see in the detail of that, we will try to directly draw the overall schematic diagram of this IC 7485. So from that, your overall concept will get more and more clear. I just draw the schematic structure of this IC 7485. This 7485, it having a three outputs, that is A greater than B, A less than B, and A equals to B. This will be output. This 7485. One input, that is A, A3, A2, A1, A0, and another input, that is B3, B2, B1, B0. Okay, and a cascading input, that is A greater than B, A equals to B, and A less than B. This is called as a cascading input. It's called as a cascading input. Supply also there, that is VCC and ground. Okay, so this is simply a schematic structure. This is all about input A, all about input B. This is structural diagram of IC 7485. In this way, this IC 7485 will get work, and it is if you have to compare the 4-bit number, if we have to compare the 4-bit number, it directly used without any modification. Now, if we see the truth table of this functional table of this 7485 IC, in that we observe that there is an input, that is input will be A and B, and according to that there is a cascading input, and this is the final output. Now in your mind there is a question is that, so this is output, this is input, what about this cascading input? Now as I told that this is a 4-bit comparator IC. Okay, in that one we can compare the only 4-bit, only 4-bit, but if we have to compare more than 4-bit, if we have to compare the 8-bit comparator, then at this condition we have to use a 27485 IC. Now whenever you have to use more than 2 or more than 2 74 IC, we have to connect that IC in cascading manner, that is in serial manner. So for that purpose, this cascading input line will get work, which can connect the signals in a serial pattern in the serial manner, and it will connect in the serial manner. Okay, now for that purpose, this cascading input will be used. Okay, so we will see the functional truth table. In input, there is a cascading input are A greater than B, A equals to B, and A less than B, and the output also A greater than B, A equals to B, and A less than B. Okay, now after that, first A greater than B, first condition A greater than B. This term will be get don't care. Output is A greater than B, 0 0. For A less than B, again cascading input will be don't care. That condition is 0 0 1. A equals to B. In this condition, it is 1 0 0 cross 1 cross 001 001. Okay, now 100 010 101 000. Now this is a uh, functional table of this IC7400, and this way the functional table will be developed. Now, but our question is, we have to design a 5-bit comparator. So, but this IC will be used only for the 4-bit. And how to design a 5-bit comparator by using 748 IC? How to get the third bit? So for that purpose, we will do some significant changes in this IC component, and we are trying to do that particular changes in such a manner. As you know that there is a 4-bit comparator. It is a 74 IC is a 4-bit comparator. So we'll just draw that 4-bit comparator. This is real output. A greater than b, a equals to b, and a less than b. ये आउटपुट है, हमको पता है, ठीक है। और उसके बाद A3 A2 A1 A0 ये भी पता है, B3 B2 B1 B0 ये भी पता है, ये है। इसके बाद ये B है, ये भी पता है। यहाँ तक तो सब कुछ ठीक था, बट नया चीज़ यहाँ पे है कि ये यहाँ पे न छोड़ते हुए यहाँ पे A3 A2 A1 A0 है ना, तो यहाँ पे लिखते हम A4 A3 A2 A1 B4 B3 B2 B1। नाउ अभी जो कास्केडिंग इनपुट रहते हैं ए ग्रेटर देन बी, ए इक्वल्स टू बी एंड ए लेस देन बी, ये तो यहाँ पे क्या किया है, ये सिग्नल को एज इट इज़ लिया है, और जो बचा हुआ सिग्नल जो है बीच में का उसको कनेक्ट किया है XOR गेट, और इसके दो इनपुट दिए है इसको, दैट इज A0 एंड दिस विल बी P0, यानी A0 A1 A2 A3 A4 5 इनपुट, B0 B1 B2 B3 B4 5, तो ऐसे मिला के टोटल मिला के ये हो गया 5 इनपुट बिट। इन दिस वे दिस 5-bit कंपैरेटर विल गेट वर्क प्रॉपरली। ओके, तो इसी हिसाब से हम 5-bit कंपैरेटर से आगे जाके 8-bit कंपैरेटर 9-bit कंपैरेटर भी कुछ भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं। फॉर 8-bit कंपैरेटर वी हैव टू यूज 2 times this I। थैंक यू वेरी मच।